Hey Jennifer, this is Amber from Local Leads Co. I spoke to Jason the other day and he gave me the okay to just send over this really short screencast to you. And really what I'm going to be doing is just going over 3 ways in which you can grow and scale your business. Now these are things that you can actually do on your own from the comfort of your home or your desk. They're really just 3 ways of growing and scaling your business, beating your competition, and as a result of that, getting more clients in your door. So I'll go ahead and jump right in. I have your website pulled up here, and overall, it is a pretty user-friendly website. It's very straight and to the point. I love the overall layout. However, there's one area of opportunity, and that's the area of content. And just getting more content on your front page. Google generally likes to see around 1,000 to 1,500 words on your front pages and then around 750 words on your back pages. It looks like you may have around 250 words on your page. So again, this is just one of the number 1 things that Google actually looks at when it comes to ranking. Content is king to Google. They just want to see that you have something to say, really. So again, just get some content on your front page. And just to give you some perspective, I have your top competitor pulled up here. This is their website. They are ranked organically in the first position whenever you Google AC repair in Lakeland or AC repair in Winter Haven. They come up in that first position. So this is the amount of content that they have, just to give you some perspective and how they're being ranked. And it's good they have a good amount of content. And then your second top competitor, Wars Air Conditioning, they have a good amount of content. I don't think they're quite at the 1,000 mark, but they do have a good amount here on their front page. So again, just get some more content on your page. It's really going to help your website to get ranked, to get in that top position. Another thing I want to go over with you is kind of the back end of your website and how your website is ranked. So we use this tool here called Ahrefs. It really helps us to see the ins and out of your website, where it's been in the past and where it's currently being ranked now, and really how you can change that and get yourself in the top position. So the first thing I want to go over with you is keywords. So what a keyword is pretty much a highly searched word in Google. So to give you some perspective, these are your keywords, and you are ranked for AC Lakeland, Florida. That gets 80 searches per month. You're currently sitting in the 25th position, so that's the second page, I believe, in Google. Another keyword, AC Repair Lakeland, that gets searched 60 times per month. You're on the ranked in the 27th position, and again, that's the second page. So it's good that you are ranked for these keywords. It's just getting you in that top position. And you are, of course, in the top position whenever someone actually Googles your website or your business. You're, of course, going to come up in the number 1 position. But you want to be in the top position for the general keywords here. So that, for instance, if someone isn't familiar with your business, whenever they Google air conditioning Lakeland, Florida, you want to be in that top position so they click on your website. And to go back to that volume, 150 volume, this volume really does add up, and we generally see around 15 to 30% in leads of this volume. So just to give you kind of some perspective of what that would look like for your business if you were ranked in that top position. I have your top competitor. They have 28 keywords, and they're ranked number 1 for AC Repair, Winter Haven, Florida. They're ranked number 2 for Winter Haven Air Conditioning, so they're on the front page of Google whenever these keywords are searched. Your second top competitor, they have 458 keywords, and again, they're ranked number 1 for a lot of these general keywords, which is really where the money is at. Air Conditioning Lakeland, AC Lakeland, Florida, very high volume for these keywords. So that's what I have for you on keywords. The second thing I want to go over with you is backlinks. So this is another thing that Google looks at when it comes to ranking your website organically. So backlinks are pretty much whenever another website refers back to your site. Essentially gives you a shout out on their website. Backlinks are really important, and what's just as important as having a good amount of backlinks is really having good quality links. Quality definitely trumps quantity when it comes to backlinks. So I'll bring you over here to this UR and DR. So this UR right here tells me how much power and influence your website has. So you're sitting at 23 out of 100, so that's pretty decent. This DR tells me how trustworthy your backlinks are. So you want this DR to be as close as possible to your power and influence. With it being so low compared to your power, it tells me a lot of these backlinks are probably very spammy links and are really hurting your ability to get your website ranked. I'm so sorry. It looks like I'm on your top competitor. So let me actually go to your backlinks. Looks like you have 208 backlinks. This is actually your ranking. So you're 22, still pretty decent when it comes to influence, but really low when it comes to trust, which tells me, again, these links are probably very spammy and are really hurting your ability to rank your website. Your top competitor, Iceberg Cooling, they have 19 in power, pretty low trust as well. So this is definitely a good opportunity for you to get good links and dominate them. Your second top competitor, we were just looking at them. They have pretty good power, but really low trust compared to how much power they have. So that's definitely an opportunity. Get some good quality links referring back to your page, and that right there would make the world of a difference when it comes to ranking your website. And then the last thing I want to go over with you is what's called citations. So what a citation is pretty much your business name, address, and phone number blasted all over the internet. So of course, the more citations you have, the better. It's your business really getting its name out there. So you currently are sitting at 28 citations. Your top competitor has 44, and your second top competitor has 24. I generally recommend doubling, if not tripling, your top competitor, just to make sure you are dominating them in that area. It's going to make it really hard for them to catch back up. So that's overall the three things. So content, backlinks, and citations. And I'm going to kind of help it all come together for you. So when you come to Google and you Google AC Lakeland, Florida, you're going to have three sections that kind of pop up. The top section here is the first section, and these are the Google ads. So people actually pay to be in this top position by paying for ads. The second top position, or the second position you see here, is what's called the Google Map Pack. You definitely want to be in one of these top three positions. This definitely helps give your website exposure, gives your business name exposure. And really what impacts getting in this top three position is going back to those citations. So get a bunch of citations and you'll definitely see yourself in this, this Google Map Pack here. And then lastly, right here is what's called organic rankings. So this is where your website's ranked organically because you've put in the work, you've put in good content, you've gotten good keywords within that content, and then you've gotten those backlinks that are good credible links referring back to your website. So if someone sees your name in this Google Map Pack and then they also see your business organically ranked in this top position, there's no way you're not going to get a good amount of volume and clients in your door. So, and again, these are things you can do on your own. So I know I kind of overwhelmed you probably with a lot of information. I would love to touch base with you and answer any questions or concerns that you might have. So you can either give me a phone call or email me back. I would love to touch base with you. But other than that, I appreciate your time. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have an excellent rest of your day.